Example is in triangle ABC, sin A into here A minus B cos C, this divided by sin C into bracket here C minus B cos A is equal to, and your options are in first -2, in second -1 given, in third 0, and in last 1. Here 1 is given. Again, by using the usual notations of triangle, by using our rules, we have to find value for the given. Okay, so here given sin A into bracket A minus B cos C, this divided by here sin C into C minus B cos A is equal to, this is equal to. Now here we have to convert this expression into simple form, into simplest form to find the value. And to convert this into simplest form, here we use projection rule. In first, we use projection rule. Here we replace A by using projection rule. Here we replace C by using projection rule. So, in next step, I write sin A into, we know A. Here in the projection rule, we define A separately and is B cos C plus C cos B. Then with minus sign, third term is here B cos C. This bracket is complete. Then this divided by here sin C as it is into. Here for C, we define, or I write this as A cos B plus B cos A. This step is by using our projection rule. We use or we replace this C by using projection rule. Then with minus sign, here B cos A is given. B cos A. Now here plus B cos C minus B cos C cancel. Then here plus B cos A, then minus B cos A cancel. Only remains here sin A into C cos B, this divided by in denominator sin C into A cos B. Again here cos B and cos B cancel. Only remains here C into sin A, this divided by here A into sin C. Now what is C sin A upon A sin C? Here to get the solution, here we use sine rule. Here in the sine rule we see one relation. Here sin A upon sin C, here is A upon C. Here is A upon C. Or I write one more step or one more relation to get this point. Okay, so I write here A upon sin A is equal to C upon sin C, and we know this ratio is always constant. Okay, then here we get A sin C is equal to C sin A. Here A sin C and C sin A, both are equal. These two are equal. Since these two are equals, here numerator, that is C sin A, and denominator having A sin C are equal. And since these two are equal, here value is 1. So correct option is D. Here correct option is D. So here to solve this MCQ, we use projection rule and we use sine rule. So very important example it is. Remember this type of examples. Okay. Now we go with our next example. Here in the next given, in triangle ABC, 2AC into sine of inside the bracket 1 upon 2 into bracket A minus B plus C, this bracket complete, is equal to. Here we have to find value of given things. Okay, here options are: in A, given A square plus B square minus C square. In B, given A square plus C square minus B square. In C option, having A square minus C square minus A square, and in last, C square minus A square minus B square. Okay, so using given things, we have to find the correct options, correct option. Okay, so here inside the bracket, remember what is given. Here inside the bracket, A minus B plus C is given. Firstly, we have to find this A minus B plus C, and for this we know sum of the angles in a triangle here is of 180 degree. We know this. Here we want A minus B plus C, so I write here A minus B plus C plus 2B. Here we arrange minus B plus C. Sorry, minus B plus 2B. We know 2B minus B is plus B, and this is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then here I write A minus B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus 2B. Here is 180 degree minus 2B. Now we go with our given example. Here given twice AC into sine of inside the bracket 1 upon 2 into A minus B plus C, and this is equal to, here twice AC as it is, then sine of 1 by 2 into A minus B plus C is what? Here is 180 degree minus 2B. Minus 2B. Now we divide this bracket by 2. If we divide, here we get twice AC into sine of 90 degree minus B. We know 90 minus B is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, the sign is always positive. And here, see here 90 degree is given. In the allied angle 90 degree is given. If 90 degree is given, we replace this trigonometric function by using cosine. So this is equal to, here twice AC into cos B into cos B. Okay, so we get this 10. Now this is equal to, here twice AC into. Now we know this cos B. We replace or we define this cos B by using our cosine rule. Okay, so here for the cos B, our rule is A square plus C square minus B square, this divided by twice AC. This is our rule for cos B. We by using cosine rule, we define this step. Okay, now this is equal to, here twice AC cancel, only remains A square plus C square minus B square. Okay, so here correct option is A square plus C square minus B square, that is correct option is B. Again, here by using cosine rule, we find our correct option. Okay. Now we go with our next example. In next, given the sides of a triangle are, the sides of triangle are in the ratio 1 as to root 3 as to 2, then the angles of triangle, the angles of triangle are in ratio, options are here in the first 1 as to 3 as to 5, in B 2 as to 3 as to 4, in C 3 as to 2 as to 1, and in D 1 as to 2 as to 3. Okay, here example is very easy. Here directly ratio is given in between the sides of the triangle. Okay, so the sides are in a ratio 1 as to root 3 as to 2. Since these sides are in a ratio, we directly define the length of this side. Suppose k is any constant. Then I write here A is our length of one side and is k, 1 into k means k only. Then we define our second side by using this root 3. So here root 3 into k means root 3k. Okay, and in last for third side length is here 2k. We define this length of the sides by using this ratio. Okay, now here we have to find angles to define the ratio. Angle A, angle B and angle C. If we know length of the sides and if we have to find angles, then we use a cosine rule. Okay, let's find cos A first. Okay, here cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. This is equal to, we know B is root 3k, then its square is 3k square plus, we know C is 2k, then its square is 4k square minus, here A is k only, so A square is k square, this divided by 2 into B is root 3k and C is, here C is 2k. This is equal to, we know 3k square plus 4k square is 7k square minus k square is 6k square, this divided by 4 root 3k square. Here k square and k square cancel, only remains here 3 upon 2 root 3 and this is equal to root 3 by 2. We get root 3 by 2. And we know here root 3 by 2 means cos of pi by 6. If we compare both the sides, we get A and here A is pi by 6. We get first angle. Now we find cos B. Okay, here cos B is equal to, here is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Okay, now this is equal to, we know A is k, so A square is k square plus, we know C is 2k, then its square is 4k square minus, we know B is root 3k, so its square is 3k square, this divided by 2 into k into 2k. This is equal to, we know 5k square minus 3k square is 2k square, this divided by 4k square, k square cancel, only remains 2 upon 4, we know 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2, and we know here cos pi by 3 is 1 upon 2. Okay, if we compare both the sides, here we get B and B is pi by 3. Now we know angle A is pi by 6, we know angle B is pi by 3. Now by using these two, we find angle C. Okay, so In next step, we know sum of three angles, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 means pi. Okay, we have to find angle C, so pi minus A minus B, this is equal to, here pi minus angle A is having pi by 6, then for B we consider pi by 3. Okay, so pi by 3 is equal to, this is equal to, now here we get 6 pi minus 2 pi, this divided by 6, this is equal to, we know 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi, 5 pi minus 2 pi, 5 pi minus 2 pi, here is 3 pi, 3 pi by 6. Okay, now this is equal to, we get here pi by 2, we get pi by 2, angle C is pi by 2. Now we know the angles A, B and C, and we have to find ratio of the angles, that is we have to find A as to B as to C, and this is equal to, we know A is having pi by 6, B is having pi by 3 and C is having pi by 2. So this is equal to, if we solve this RHS, here we get 1 as to 2 as to 3. This is our ratio for the angle. So correct option is, here correct option is D. Correct option is D. Our option D. Okay, so very important example it is. Now we go with our next example. Here given, if in triangle ABC measure of angle B is 60 degree, then option A is having A minus B bracket square is equal to C square minus AB. Then in B given B minus C bracket square is equal to A square minus BC. Then in C given C minus A bracket square is equal to B square minus AC. And in last, in D given none of these. Okay, here only one angle is given, angle B is given, and in the options only length of the sides are given, A, B and C, small a, b and C are given. So here for this question we consider cosine rule. If only one angle is given, then in cosine rule and in RHS we consider length of the sides. Okay, now see here we define cos B. Now why cos B? Since angle B is given. Okay, here cos B is A square plus C square minus B square, this divided by twice AC. Then here we replace B by using 60 degree is equal to, here A square plus C square minus B square upon twice AC as it is. We know cos 60 degree. Here cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is equal to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Here 2 and 2 cancel. Only remains here AC is equal to A square plus C square minus B square. We get this step. Now see our options. Here AC is given. AC is given, and in the only C option, here AC is given and C minus A square is given. Okay, so here for this step, I write AC is equal to A square, or I write C square first. Since here C minus A bracket square is given, C square minus, I write AC, then plus C square, then with minus B square. With minus B square, here we add plus AC. Plus AC. Okay, so here I write this as, okay, here A square is given, this AC is equal to, C minus A bracket square, then with minus B square, here plus AC. Now here in RHS, in option C, C minus A bracket square is equal to B square minus AC is given. Okay, here one more step. Here we add twice AC and we subtract twice AC to get the complete square form. Now this is correct. C square minus twice AC plus A square. Here is C minus A bracket square with minus B square plus twice AC. Here I write this as C minus A bracket square is equal to AC minus twice AC plus B square. Then here we get C minus A bracket square is equal to, we know AC minus twice AC is minus AC plus B square. So our correct option is C. Here correct option is C. So directly by using cosine rule, we find this option. So in today's lecture, we see some important MCQ examples related with the part principal solutions and solution of triangle. These MCQs are very important for our competitive examinations. Thank you.